is Tim, and you have reached Tim Webb Abstract Art. If you're already a member of my channel, then welcome back. If you're not, please consider subscribing today. Thank you. This is the second video in my series. If you happen to watch the first video, thank you very much. Wow, I just can't believe how many people watched the first video. I went from maybe 2 to 3 views to over 150. So thank you very much. I appreciate that. And I hope you enjoy the second video. Before I get started on the demonstration, I just wanted to give a shout out to Vic Anderson. Vic is a guy that I used to work with, super talented animator. He took my logo and he animated it, and you can see it at the beginning of my video. Really happy with the way that turned out. I'm gonna leave all of his contact information in the comments below, so if anybody wants some animation done, I highly recommend it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that I have inspired you to be creative. If it's not abstract art, maybe it's music or writing or something that's creative. Let yourself be free. And I will see you in my next video. So it looks like we're all finished up here. This is the middle section of the 3-panel artwork that I created. I'm really super happy with the way that it turned out. I like all of the detail. If you like the detail and you like the artwork for yourself, I welcome you to check out my homepage, which is at timwebb.com, and there you can review some of the other artwork, and you can look at some of the other videos that I've created. I appreciate your time, and I will see you in my next video.